Guys, these are the requirements you need if you want to start NFT as a business and start trading NFT to make money online. The first requirement you need is the wallet. A wallet is just like a bank where you're going to be storing those NFT that you bought, whether it's free mint or whether you buy it with your native token. And also this wallet is going to be standing like a cash holder to help you store the native token that you're going to be using to buy the NFT in the marketplace. The second requirement you need to start trading NFT and making money online is the native token. The native token we use to buy NFT is just like a money that we spend on our daily basis. But this native token are cryptocurrency. This native token that we use to buy NFT come in different forms. We have the Ethereum, we have the Solana, and we have the Matic, which come from Polygon blockchain. The third requirement is to learn about this native token, how they work. Because when you are buying your NFT on Polygon, you need to bridge your Ethereum into Polygon so that the blockchain can allow you to buy your NFT. And also, if you are buying NFT on Ethereum, you need to know that you're going to be paying a gas fee, which might be high sometimes. So you need to take note of that. And also watch out for Polygon and Solana NFT because their gas fee when you are buying NFT is affordable. The fourth requirement you need to know is to make sure you do your research on every NFT project, because NFT project nowadays can ruin you and also make you rich. So make sure you do your research, and I've made so many tutorials about telling you how you can find a good project out there. Make sure you go to my page and check them out. The fifth requirement you need to know to start trading NFT online and start making money is to make sure you are minting NFT before they got into the marketplace. And even if they got to the marketplace, maybe you miss up the train, you can also still make money with them by just finding the rare one among the collection and buy them. And if you have money to go in depth into the trade, you might pay for a bot to help you snap those rare one in the marketplace. And lastly, make sure you follow me for more NFT tips and inside updates so you can start making money with NFT.